'Twas a cold night in Chicago when all through the house not a creature was stirring, except Dad with his nasty cough. He dashed from his bed, to the cupboard he flew, where he found Vicks throat drops, and he grabbed 'em. Quick as a wink he popped a Vicks drop, and soon after that his cough came to a standstill. That soothing Vicks medicine brought instant relief. It worked so well it was beyond comprehension. For those cold days ahead, remember what works. Vicks kicks your cough right where it hurts.
Use only as directed.